What is going on, guys? It is Ahmed and I am back today with yet another video for you all. And today we're going to talk about Shiba Inu and some really important updates that are up and coming, some big things that are circulating the Twitter space. And I also want to touch about something pretty exciting in my opinion, because I was just kind of fangirling. Someone joined us on the stream. So yesterday I streamed for about 2.5 hours, 2 hours and 25 minutes. And guys, it was the most amazing time. We had thousands of people in the stream. I think it was over almost 20,000 individuals coming in and out of the stream, started interacting with us, and it was just fantastic. So many people are part of the Shiba army. And I think, again, Shiba token really has some true potential in the short term and in the long term. So the thing, of course, we're going to look at is price action. We're going to cover some of the things that are on Twitter, including potential Robinhood listing. Things that are kind of going around, the Shiba Swap finally potentially gonna be something that we can start putting money into, hopefully here soon with a new release. And again, in my opinion, I don't think they should release it quite yet until we see the overall market rebound, but we'll see what happens. So before I go ahead and cover all of this, and we'll talk about the price action right at the very end, because again, it looks like potentially now, since pretty much 1:19, 1:20 a.m., you might have reached a bottom at 6.8 Satoshi units, and we're seeing this up kind of overall pick. The market is kind of picking back up, including Shiba Inu. So again, we don't know if we've finally made it out of the bear trap, but I think it is potentially time for us to break out. But remember, my channel is not for financial advice, nor am I a financial advisor. Rather, I try to put you guys on the plays that I am in. Now, go ahead and click the links below for BlockFi if you haven't already. Get your free Bitcoin, folks. Up to $250 worth of free Bitcoin, no questions asked. All you got to do is deposit money into your BlockFi account. And also with Webull, get your 2 free stocks. When you deposit, $100. So you get 1 free stock, as you see right up here, between now and the end of May, between $2.50 and $250 for just creating an account. And then you make an initial deposit of $100, you get another free stock valued between $8 and $1,600. So I've seen people say they got things like Facebook stock. I've seen people say they got Tesla stock. So you might be one of those lucky few. Google, which is just crazy to me. So go ahead, click the link below, get your free money, get your free stocks. Now, Scott Herman Fitness. Why am I talking about Scott Herman Fitness on a Shiba Inu video? So yesterday, Scott Herman Fitness, he came on our stream. And people were like, oh, it's a fake account, blah, blah, blah. Here's his official Instagram. You see the verification check mark, and look right here. I'm going to click on the story. Look in front of us, guys. At your pursuit of purpose. Thanks for the kind words, bro. Now let's crush some crypto. So Scott Herman Fitness is part of the Shiba army, which was something that was so fascinating to me. So I'm hoping that I could do a collaboration with Scott, and we can, cover Shiba Inu. He's an actual early investor of Shiba token. So again, he has 2.4 million subscribers on the YouTube space. Very influential. Someone I used to watch since I was much younger in high school to learn about bodybuilding, exercise, etc. So shout out to Scott, man. I'm hoping you're watching this video. I didn't want to give you a shout out because again, it was just so fantastic to see you around. So let's go ahead and cover the things I wanted to mention. So 1 hour ago, the SHIB Informer posted this. We never asked to be listed anywhere. Exchanges just go ahead and list us. But this petition was born from the community, us, the Shiba army. That's why I'm sharing it with you. An impressive number of signatures that have been collected already, and how high can it go? Hashtag SHIB army. Guys, and this is something Scott and I were talking about last night after the stream. So if you click this link, it is actually kindly the request of Robinhood to list Shiba Inu. We're at 21,779 people who have signed this petition out of 25,000. So if we get it to 25K, does that mean it can potentially get us, potentially going with a Robinhood listing? Possibly. But regardless, we need to focus in on this kind of thing, and we need to pay attention and say, hey, can this really mean a Robinhood listing is on the way? Very much possible. If we scroll down a little bit and look at the SHIB Informer, the other thing that was mentioned also is people have been asking, when is SHIBASWAP going to be released? What's going to happen? etc. The SHIB Informer said no estimates, but if you feel the need to educate yourself about SHIBASWAP, start reading and learning. On their wolf paper, yesterday we covered that fully and in detail on the live stream. The DeFi, so decentralized finance is an amazing way to create your own financial independence, and you are the best one to make decisions about your money. So the time to learn is now. Very, very well said. And then the other thing here, Kai Green, another person in the bodybuilding space, funny enough, said Shiba Swap should be dropping soon for all you Shiba holders. And then the SHIB Informer says, all I can say, just be ready. Guys, that is pretty fantastic things. So again, all around, some really positive short-term catalysts on the way for Shiba Swap, including potentially a Robinhood listing and potentially that Shiba Swap release maybe in the next day, 2 days. We don't know exactly when, but the devs are making it seem, the developers are making it seem like it's something that's going to happen very, very soon. Now, going back to the price action, and I want to kind of talk about, do I think we're finally out of the bear trap, and are we going to start seeing a bullish run? In my opinion, I think potentially we might have found a bottom earlier this morning. It all depends though on many different factors, including what? The overall cryptocurrency market. So we know that Shiba Inu is still ranked second on CoinMarketCap's most visited cryptocurrencies. But if we look here at the top cryptocurrencies overall, we're seeing a slight recovery across them all. Ethereum back at 2.4 thousand, Bitcoin at 38.2 after pulling back significantly to 35. Binance going back over 300, Cardano back over $1.50, Dogecoin at almost at 34 cents. So again, overall, the market looks like it's slowly but surely making a slight recovery. Now, I never want to tell you guys whether to buy or sell, but potentially for Shiba Inu, if you're someone that's still looking to get in before any of this news occurs, including what? Potentially a Robinhood listing and a Shiba Swap release, then maybe right now is a good time to start considering at a $2.9 billion market cap from its all-time high of 36 Satoshi units, just about, and currently sitting at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so 7.5 Satoshi units. We're looking at potentially, potentially a 5x gain if it goes back to its all-time high. On my stream, I covered kind of my thesis about it going back to this, all-time high at some point. And I said again, people will, as soon as something is released, there will be buying pressure and it's going to start hopefully trending back up. And I don't know necessarily if it's going to get right back to its all-time high. But again, it can kind of approach some of these areas right before the peak, here and here. So looking at 30 Satoshi units or 32 in the short term. So I want to make sure you guys are all aware of that and letting you guys know, hey, that's what I'm doing. That's how I'm playing Shiba token. And again, if we ever double up, triple up, quadruple, right? 100, 200, 300, 400% gains on anything, we always take the profits off the top, get our initial investment out, and keep the rest in to ride the wave. And hopefully one day we will see Shiba token as a 1 cent coin. Do I think it's possible with token burn and the amount of news that is surrounding this thing? Absolutely. Look at simple things. So what I searched on Google was how many Robinhood users are there? There are 13 million users. As of 2020, Robinhood had Robinhood had 13 million users. 13 million users, guys. That's ridiculous. And that's as of 2020. As of right now, maybe I could see that number easily being potentially double. But regardless, if that many people have now access to investing into Shiba token, just like Dogecoin, right? I know there's difference of opinions about Robinhood as a whole, but if you're having that much more accessibility and more people can start accessing this specific cryptocurrency, we could potentially see this thing skyrocket on a listing on Robinhood relative to Coinbase or another. Now, the other thing I want to see, instead of Robinhood, what if we put in Coinbase? Coinbase users are there. 56 million, right? And we know what happens when anything is listed on Coinbase. We see a significant surge in price in the very short term. We do see a sell-off after, but remember, there's some true potential there, in my opinion. So again, I just wanted to make sure I covered all of those things for you guys today. I really do appreciate everybody who's been supporting the channel. Guys, the support has been nothing but love. We're almost at 29,000 subscribers. When I first started covering the Shiba Inu things, we were, just above 20. So we are really, seeing a true impact, a true change. And what I will do is link that Shiba Inu Discord below in the description if you want to join the Shiba Army. It's a community I've been a part of now for, over a week, and it's been nothing but love. Been fantastic, really enjoying my time there, talking to everybody. And again, I want to make sure you guys also have the opportunity to do so. So go ahead, check out the Discord, get your free Bitcoin with BlockFi when you deposit up to $250 worth of Bitcoin when you deposit money into your BlockFi account. And for Webull, get your 2 free stocks. Why not get free money? If you're not currently a user of Webull, I love Webull as a stock trading platform and a cryptocurrency trading platform. But regardless, $2 and $250 free just for creating an account, and then deposit your first 100. You don't have to buy a single stock. Deposit your first 100 and get an additional free stock between $8 and $1,600, folks. So thank you so much for tuning in to my Shiba Army, Shiba Strong, and until next time, everybody, keep investing.